get a trial. Like get a trial, have a conversation with the Conquest team, spend some time really, really looking at it and figure out if that's going to be exactly what you need. Look, I don't think what I love about Conquest is you're not saying you're the best financial planning tool and cash flow forecasting software out there. It's about what works for you. And I've found this works really, really well for me and my clients and what I'm trying to deliver for them. And it will probably do the same for you. And it's, like I said, it's getting better over time. Every update, there's something new that comes in that's improving the experience. I know there's some big stuff coming. When I had a little bit of training, spoke to one of the guys, I said, eventually you're going to be able to talk to it. I mean, that's phenomenal. That's a phenomenal piece of kit. So rather than kind of playing around with buttons, you could talk to it and it will just plan your stuff out. I think it's so powerful. And if there are advisors out there that aren't doing it, the real wake-up call for me was, if one of my clients came across somebody who's doing this cash flow modeling stuff and doing it really effectively, I've lost that client because it's so powerful. And that was the reason why I wanted to do this, is to be able to put my arms around my clients and to be able to say, if you come across another advisor, yes, they may be able to get better returns. They can't, because actually we're independent. We can all recommend from the same universe of funds. But I'm doing everything I can to give maximum value to that client. And that's ultimately why I do this job. Yes, it pays my bills and it pays it quite handsomely, but I've got to look after my clients. I've got to look after them really well. And this is just another part that does that. So I've only been using it for for new clients so far. As the reviews are now coming up for existing clients, that's going to be a part of that strategy as well. It's just going to elevate it even further. I think when I've come across clients who've got advisors who don't use this stuff, it's completely blown their mind. And I said, I'm moving straight away. Like, there's no question about it. It's a feedback I've had is like, Ian, this is a very different experience to anything that I've ever had. You've been so thorough, so detailed. You understand what's really important to me. Let's move. And that is, since I've started implementing this, every single client I've come across that uses an existing financial advisor, because I'm a big believer that a lot of financial advice is just transactional, and this shows that it isn't. It's behaviors, it's goals based, it's culture. It's a phenomenal piece of kit to just protect your business, protect your clients, and make sure you're doing the right thing by them.